everyone. Welcome to my newbies and welcome back to my old friends. This is Designed by Deshe. As per usual, I am Audrey Deshe, and today we are going to be doing my take on a fall gnome wreath. Everything that you'll see me using here today did come from Dollar Tree, and for the base of it, I'll be using a witch hat wreath and two of those little Halloween stick trees. Those are going to serve as the beard. So let's get into it. I noticed that the little brown fabric, whatever that is, had began to unravel on both of the trees, so I just rewound them and then dabbed them with hot glue to keep them in place. And now I'm going to layer those Halloween trees on top of each other, sliding one down about 3 to 4 inches for additional length, and I'm going to secure them with 2 zip ties to make sure that they do not come apart. With the trees secured to each other, I'm now going to go ahead and trim off the excess of the witch hat wreath that I don't need. So I'm basically cutting off the brim, and I will just be working with this top section. I'm going to take the branches of the beard and I'm going to wind those around the witch hat wreath to further secure it, and then I'm going to take zip ties and secure it even further. And while I'm doing all of that, I think it's a good time to ask if you have liked and subscribed to my channel yet. If you haven't, please do so. I have a ton of projects on the way. I have some really big furniture transformations coming in the next few weeks, so go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, give your girl a little bit of support. Thanks guys, it means the world to me. Now that everything's connected, I'm going to go ahead and start decorating. I found this 6-foot shelf liner that has a burlap feel to it, and I thought it would just be perfect for my gnome's hat. So I folded it in half and I wrapped it around. The coverage was great. One was more than enough. To get this started, I just used a liberal amount of hot glue on one side that I've, now designated as the back, and then I'll start wrapping from there. If you guys like this video, please know that I loved making this so much that I actually made a Halloween version as well. The link to that video is in the description, and I think it turned out so cute. So please go ahead and give it a watch. Once I got to the edge, I sealed it off with a liberal amount of hot glue, and then I flipped it over and gave the other side the same treatment just to make sure. And next I'll be layering this gorgeous deco mesh over his hat for a little pop. I am loving this mesh on top of this shelf liner. It really is rustic with a little pop of sparkle. And now I'm just gluing down the last of the mesh before I get to my favorite part. I had so much fun decorating this wreath, so I hope you guys stay to the end so that you can see the finished product. I'm about to add the nose, which was super simple. I just took a styrofoam ball and I wrapped it in a nylon cap, tied it into place, and then glued with a liberal amount of hot glue. Yay! The gnome has a nose. It's already so cute, guys. And now I'm going to start adding that big, bountiful beard. And here I am with that fall garland that you guys know that I love so much. I'm only doing one pack because this is serving as a base. I don't want to overwhelm it. I have so many pretty flowers and pumpkins that I want to add, so I'm just using this layer. I picked up these super cute little clip pumpkins. The beige ones almost have a leather-like feel, and the green ones are this knit fabric, and I just adore them for the project. Went with a pre-made bow on this one to save space, and I attached that with a zip tie. I absolutely had to find a place for this giant clip sunflower. The moment I saw it, I put it in my cart and I knew I'd use it for this, and it's just as perfect as I thought it would be. I was so happy because I had been trying to find a place for this little ear of corn that I bought like weeks ago, and it finally found a home in this wreath, and it looks so cute here. So I love it when a plan works out. Here I'm just going to add some individual flowers to the beard, and then I'll move on to adding some flower heads to the hat as well. I had one sparkly clip leaf left, and it was perfect here, just to finish off the bottom. And now I'm just gluing individual flower heads to the tip of the hat to tie everything together and give the hat a little pop. And now, because I forgot to tie something to the wreath to hang it, you're watching me push my yarn needle through here. I've threaded it with some twine, and that is small enough to go through the fabric and push through the frame of the wreath, and then I'll be able to tie it and hang it that way. And we are all done now, guys. Let's see this awesome gnome up on the door. Isn't he adorable? adorable. I am absolutely in love with the way that this turned out. It is so fun, it's so festive, it's bountiful. I mean, it's so cute, and I cannot believe that this was made with nothing but Dollar Tree items. This looks like something very high-end that you would absolutely purchase at a store. I don't think anyone would ever guess that it was completely homemade. So, if you guys agree or if you like this, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your support means everything, and I, as always, am Audrey Deshe for Designed by Deshe, and I will see you guys on the next one.